And y'all are about to be blinded because I know this reflects light really badly. Whenever I streamed perler beads forever ago, it was a lot easier because I could spray my boards and they would not be as shiny. But this, unfortunately, I cannot spray without it completely dulling it out. Okay, that and that. Actually, let me do this again. 9.5. Okay, so that's to right at that edge. So I'll go ahead and cut this off. And now that we've got that, can pin this here. And I'm sorry if y'all are like the ASMR types and just like the sound of cutting and sewing and stuff. I cannot make myself shut up occasionally, especially when I've had coffee, so it's gonna be a mess. There's going to be talking. Plus, I don't have any music. I am so afraid of like a DMCA. I think that's what it is. DMC, whatever. I don't want a music strike, so I don't put any music on my stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna quadruple this up because I really want to make sure it's sturdy, and I have an obscene amount of this fabric, and I had a half off coupon, so I got way too much, so I'm not too worried about using too much. Alright, and now I can move this aside until we get to the drafting, hopefully. This is not a very good angle, I know. Sorry, I can't do much about it. Let me get my iron going again, because I know I'm gonna need it. So for now, let's pattern out how this is going to look. I say let's like this is a team effort. I'm so sorry, I'm not meaning to rope you guys into my absolutely psychotic antics, but you also are kind of signing up for this, so whose fault is it really?